Jade's back! Yay! You didn't know she was missing. I did film that video where I was like, oh, Jade's not here, she's on holiday. And about the on towers, but then I was like, no, I look like a twat. I look fresh as hell.
Okay, she did film, like she just said, she did film a video saying that I'm not here, but that never got posted. And
So
I've not been
yay,
here.
she's
So
back.
hello! Yeah, and then Tylah goes in 2 weeks.
Yay! In Skeg. I'm going to try and vlog in Skeg though.
We're, on the Wednesday in Skeg,
Yeah.
I'm coming to see her.
We'll go vlog.
So we're gonna vlog.
So let's vlog.
Clappy dance.
We're at the
So
farm,
right here.
sat with all the chickens and duckings.
The chucks and ducks.
Oh my god, that was really cute.
Best thing ever.
And
We'll
I think
try and
people are
vlog throughout
watching
the
as well.
day.
Yeah, updates soon maybe, possibly.
Yeah.
See what's happening.
We'll have to do one.
Hello! We're going to do a vlog of all
the animals.
All the animals. It's going to be really motion sickness, so the floor's really lumpy.
At the minute, we're in a field paddock.
Oh, my name's Bilbo.
Not me.
No, I didn't point at you. You're not Bilbo.
Bilbo.
There he is. Billy. Billy. Billy.
Billy.
Billy gives no F's.
Billy doesn't really care. This is Billy.
Say hello to Billy. Billy has no idea what to do. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
Lovely.
That was kisses from Billy.
That was Billy.
Look, there he is. He is the most majestic little popo ever. Aren't you? Where are you going? He's not in the mood when he's eating his
Hi.
grass. Right. We're off next. Where are we going next?
Oh, where seems logical? Pigs. We're going to the pigs.
Pigs.
Hi, Billy!
Who's he coming? Bilbo!
Oh, he was.
Bilbo! Billy! He's not coming.
Billy!
Sometimes he runs with us, but it doesn't look like he's going to do that today. He's not in the mood.
Come on.
Oh, it's coming! It's behind you! Good boy, Bilbo. He's a very playful pony, aren't you? Where are you going?
I think he's having
Where are you going? Where are you going? He's a very nice boy. Peace
We'll
out.
show you something what he does.
Yeah. It's hard to... Billy, come here!
I'll do it.
He's not going to. Yeah, see if you can bring him up.
Billy! Oh, let me take this off.
Oh, Bilbo!
I'm getting ready.
Because I want some grass. Feed me! Feed me now! It's a running pony! Billy is a miniature Shetland pony, so he's really small. Yeah, watch out for the nettles. So he's a fully sized male. I'm not quite sure how old he is though. But this is how big he'll get. He's a very small pony. But he's a very fat pony.
With a roll patch.
With a bullet patch. Aren't you?
Let's go!
Look at that trot! Good trotting. Look where you're going. Go on then. Good boy.
And that's all I'm going to show you because it's boiling.
Right, so this is the pig pen. That's Jade. Obviously. And we've got the piggies here. And this one is Peppa Pig. Where's my Peppa? Peppy! Peppa's tired. Peppa Pig. Peppa. Pee pee. She gives out F's, that's too hot.
It's been in the water, which is really strange. She doesn't...
No, she cries when it rains.
She ran in there when it was raining this morning.
Yeah, she did. She does like, Rosie! And then Rosie Pig is just over here. Aren't you, Rosie? Rosie, Rosie! She's asleep as well.
We'll go to the girls next because they're a smaller group.
Rosie! Rosie Pig! Rosie is more of
We'll go there.
a boisterous one. And we've got some other babies on this
One we're
side.
just gonna... Okay, this is Teddy.
Hello, Teddy. Say hello,
He's
Teddy.
8 year old.
Don't eat it. Say hello.
He's a year-old baby.
Yeah. It's Ted Meister.
This is Timmy or Barry.
Timmy O'Berry.
There's two of them.
Come here, boy.
Exactly alike.
Yeah.
You look like a poodle.
He is a poodle. Aren't you? Can you say hello?
I'll get that beast over there.
Thank you.
Get
He's
that
no
beast in her
looking.
neck.
Yeah, and then if I zoom
It's
in
over here.
here, you can see just, I can't from there.
She's moving.
That one is Halo.
She's our little girl.
I've got some other babies coming this direction. Come here! Come here, boys!
They have names. We don't know what they are.
Yeah. We have lots of different sheep here, and most of them were born here.
Halo we proudly named.
Yeah.
Pulled out.
Halo just bleated from all the way over there.
And pulled out.
Yeah.
Pulled her out.
And then over here we've got our cows.
So from Halo.
She's pooping. We've got this one over here that I'm pointing at here. That one's Luna. And then that one, you can't really see because it's dark, is Buttercup. And she's pooping. She's pooping. Typical animals. And then we've got Rosie and Dolly. No, Daisy behind her. I don't know where Dolly is. Dolly's all the way over there, I think.
With the two lambs over
no,
there.
the Dolly's over there.
Are Cool Cupcake and Treacle.
Yeah, these two just here.
And then the two goats over there is Sally and Iris.
Sally and Iris. We'll go see those in a bit. And here we have our two beautiful ponies. My one is the white one. Well, not mine, but my preferred one is the white one. Her name is Fairy Tale. And Jade, which one's yours?
Jade,
Yours is called Jade.
The chestnutty one, that's Tilly. She's my preferred one.
Yeah, the ones we work with. And they're very naughty, naughty girls.
Yeah,
But we love them
well,
nevertheless.
Fairy is.
Yeah, Fairy's a very naughty girl.
Fairy bites humans, Tilly bites Fairy.
Yeah. And that's pretty much it. Story of their lives.
They are lovely girls.
They're very ignorant as well.
Hello?
Girlies! They don't care. As long as they've got food, they're happy. Oh, bless them, there's some jackdaws over there. We've got lots of animals.
Yeah.
Yay! Right, we'll go show you Sally and Iris, if there's no one there still.
Jackdaw friend.
Iris! Say hello!
This is Iris.
She's very lovely. She's very chubby, as you see. No, she's not pregnant.
We
She's
often get people asking us if she's pregnant.
She's very ignorant.
She's not.
Is her? She
Iris.
There she is. We haven't got food. She's not got it. Oh, she's getting too close now. Right, let's go see Sally. Sally! Sally goat! Come here! Sally goat!
Sorry.
Hi! This is either Timmy or Barry, the other one. We've got two of them. That's Jade.
Hello.
This is Sally. Hi, Sally. Come here. Hello. Oh, that finger. This is Sally. Say hello, Sally. Too close again. Everyone just like tries to taste the camera first. It's not. She just burped right in the camera. You could probably hear that.
Hope that catch it.
Hopefully, that'll be funny. She's like literally the friendliest goat I've ever met. She's lovely. She's so lovely. Right, we're gonna have to go back to work. Shh. But we'll vlog later. Bye. Is that your new show coming?
Oh.
Don't fall.
Wee, look what he was there. Look, that went wrong. Hello. I don't know, you can see it's Tylah's hands.
Sorry. Sorry, I'm sneezing. Do you want this? No. Oh wait, don't put them
Hey
out.
Tylah. Hey Tylah.
Flowers, and I was like,
Do you like flowers?
he does. Please, you ate it. You ate it later.
I know.
Come here. You're very dirty.
Remember when we gave him a shower?
Yeah, he had a bath the other week and it was oiled the other week as well.
Yeah.
It's all oily.
Flower.
Look at the chicken in the tree.
It's boiled chicken.
I couldn't click. Come here. What are you doing in there?
It's a chicken tree.
It's a chicken tree. No, it's like prison.
She's chasing after Puddle. Must have been. Cruella!
That's not the correct way to handle a chicken.
This is Cruella.
This is Cruella. She is a Polish.
Oh my god.
She's very good. Some num nums? Of course you do. Of course you do.
Okay then.
You ready? She's gonna fly past your screen.
Woo!
Good flying.
Go Fabio!
We've got one hand. One little pecker.
We're feeding.
You could call this feeding, which is more of it.
Not really. We're scattering. There's so many pigeons.
Fabio room.
This is Fabio. Oh, my finger's in the way. This is Fabio. This is Tyler, enthusiastically scattering. You look really white.
Oh, racist. I'm not albino.
No ducks. Tyler's doing such an excellent job.
There's not really a talent to scatter feeding. It's more of just a... It's so fun. Just can't cooperate with all the corners, right?
Nailed it. This is the aviary.
Oh my goodness.
This is Tyler failing.
Actually, I've done it.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
Let's do some booties. Ta-da!
And this is a quail.
Dun 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 dun.
So Tyler, what's in here?
We have our usual quail
A quail colony.
and a Chinese quail that's over there, if you can see.
There's China.
And we have our cockatiels. Hello, baby. None of them are very
it's
friendly.
gone.
And we have our canaries. And our finches.
Oh, and our finches. We've got zebra finches now, and I think we've got bullfinches.
No, I don't think we have.
Did we not?
No, they're all zebra.
Oh, they're all zebra.
As far as I'm aware. I'm going to try and get 10.
Tyler likes to capture the animals. Oh man, we got budgies.
Oh yeah, I'm going to go back to the Jade.
Okay, and we're gonna
And
stop.
company.
I'm gonna stop right now. Bye. Hello.
Could you not? I'm trying to do my hair.
It's a hair tutorial.
Here's tutorial how to do a farm messy bun
Like that.
with a tail.
This is our home for 2 seconds.
More like 20 minutes.
As we're bagging up this.
I nearly put my face like right in front of the camera. That would have been attractive.
Get on with it. Get on with it, peasant. They fill the bales up way
my
too
God.
much. So the straw, no, the baling twine's always too tight, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then we have this problem.
One side.
Yay!
Strong Tyler is very strong. That was really low.
Woo! And that's
Oh,
how
it's
you do
down my
it.
back.
Pull, pull. This is the most interesting background ever.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Everything's so farmy.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! We try and do one thing. Look at this, look. I don't know if you can see, she held it over me. So rude.
I'm paranoid that people are gonna... I don't know what they're gonna say.
Can you tell Mum was doing that rabbit video and Tom watched it? I was just like,
Oh, remember the one where the tripod kept falling? Tripod?
yeah, that, I put
It was
that video up as
what,
well.
what was it?
Like a tag Q&A video.
No, but what did we hold it on?
Kaleidoscope.
A kaleidoscope. Yeah, and it just dropped. Like, dropped.
There's no point telling people, they could
Go see that video. Go have a look. I don't know what it's called because I wasn't here when she put it up.
Oh, she was on holiday.
Holiday in Costa del Scarborough.
I think it's called like college Q&A or something.
College Q&A. We'll just look at the Q&A videos.
Stand there. Stand there. Turn back around.
What's on me? Oh.
Don't put a whole slice in there because it's all broken up. We suck at this! Over my head, you was just like holding it over my head and I was like, get away!